Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything is going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa. I am a makeup artist, and today I'm gonna show you the new launch by Sigma Beauty. And oh my god, this is the detail blending brushes in this PR packaging. Look how beautiful it is, and these brushes are so good to blend your eyeshadow, baby. Here we have the news: E27, E33, and also E42. Whoa, they're amazing to create many different looks with it. The brushes are smaller, so fluffy and amazing. They are $15 each of them, or you can get the whole set. All the brushes by Sigma Beauty are cruelty-free and also 2 years warranty. So this is the news that I got for you guys today, and now let's begin this makeup look. Today I'm gonna use the Warm Neutrals palette by Sigma Beauty as well, and this is the number 2. I really love this palette. The colors are so beautiful. So to begin this look, first of all, I'm gonna apply a good eyeshadow base, and this is the shade Ignite by Sigma Beauty. I'm gonna spread it out all over the eyelid and blend it out using the tip of my fingers. This eyeshadow base is very good. I really love this color, and also stick the shadows in the place and last longer. And now I'm ready to apply the eyeshadows using my favorite tools, the Sigma brushes. And today I'm gonna use my new babies. Using the brush E27, I'm gonna apply the color Humble from the palette in the brow bone and also a little bit in my crease just to help to blend the next eyeshadows that I'm gonna apply later on. This is a more creamy shade. I really love this color because it's very pale, so I can highlight a little bit and have some shimmer on it, but a little tiny bit, so it creates a perfect base for the next eyeshadows that I'm gonna apply. So now in my crease, I'm gonna apply this warm brown eyeshadow to be my transition shade, and to apply this shade, I'm using the brush E33. This color is called Toast, and I'm gonna be adding the product a little at a time and blending the edges to smudge it out, but I want to concentrate this product in the crease. When I finish to blend, I add a little more product till I feel that is dark enough to create more depth and dimension. So you guys, the smaller new brushes by Sigma Beauty are a must-have if you are a makeup artist, or even if you just like to create your own makeup looks. The quality is so good, the brushes are amazing, especially if you have difficult to blend your eyeshadow, or even if you have a small eyelid. It can be so good. Now with the brush E42, I'm gonna apply and blend a dark brown eyeshadow in the outer corner of my eyes. This is called henna. So first I'm going to pack it on, and then I'm gonna just smudge the edges with the same brush that I'm applying the eyeshadow. I really love the form of this brush because I can do many things with it. I can pack the eyeshadows and blend it all. Also, I can add glitter in my eyeshadow. Basically, this brush works for many different things. In the lower lash line, I'm gonna apply the same eyeshadow as before, and now I'm gonna use a different, smaller brush. This is E21. This brush is also in Melissa Samways' favorites, so I'm gonna link down below for you guys in case you're interested. And you can use my code MelissaSB for 10% off in sigmabeauty.com. So don't worry, other products will be listed down below for you guys. And now back with the brush that I used in the beginning of the video, the brush E27. I'm gonna apply the light brown eyeshadow that I used as my transition shade in the edges just to blend a little more. All over the eyelid, I'm gonna use the eyeshadow Bittersweet, which is so beautiful. It's a amazing gold shade, and I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow using the tip of my fingers to make it easier because it's a foiled eyeshadow. By the side of the color Bittersweet, I'm gonna apply the shade Beaming, which is amazing. It's very shimmery, glamorous eyeshadow. So I'm gonna apply using the same brush that I used before to apply the darkest brown eyeshadow in the lower lash line, and this is the brush E21. Using the same brush, I'm gonna apply the shade Charmer in the tear duct area just to highlight my eyes even more. So from here, I'm gonna add my fake lashes and mascara, and I'm done. Moving on to my face, now I'm gonna apply blush, and this is Cor de Rosa, also by Sigma. This blush is so beautiful and very pigmented, as you can see here. To apply this blush, I'm gonna use this powder duster brush, my favorite brush ever, to apply any powder on my face, powder, blush, contour, highlighter. This brush is so good for everything. And to conclude this look, I'm gonna apply a liquid lipstick, and this is the color Anti-Venom. I love the formula of this liquid lipstick. It's amazing. It smells so good, and the color is stunning, as you can see here. But for today's look, I'm gonna remove the excess product using the tip of my fingers again. And this is how I finished this makeup look. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. Comment down below what you think about this news and also about this makeup look, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye!